All right, me again. Now, in this opportunity, I'm going to explain a little bit on how the virtual book works for this class during this semester, okay? When I say virtual book, I'm referring to the Cambridge LMS, Learning Management System, that you've been invited to enroll in previous days, okay? I hope all of you already have access to this platform, let's call it. If you don't, please contact me as soon as possible so we can also report to the administrators and help you out as soon as we can because the work in the virtual book will start next week. Okay, this Cambridge LMS actually has many features and characteristics in the platform that we will learn how to use. Okay, it has like course activities, unit tests, extra activities. Well, you will see. But I want to tell you how I will take it into account for the evaluation regarding the 15% that corresponds to virtual book. Okay, remember step by step. Step one, check the timetable. Which timetable? Which teacher? Well, the one that I shared with you in a previous video that is similar to this one, okay, in which you will see the date, okay, the corresponding date, and also the units, the corresponding units to the virtual book corresponding to that week. For example, if you are in the class 5-6, you are supposed to work on the unit 7, okay, during this coming week, starting on July the 26th. But if you are in level 7, for example, during the week 2, July the 26th, you will be starting working on the unit 7, but the due date for you to finish is August the 8th. Remember, for level 7, because this is only one level in one semester. For a dual course in which you are coursing two levels in one semester, well, you have to work every week. You have to work on one unit, okay? And the due date, I mean, for you to finish the unit 7 or taking the test B, it's August the 1st. Well, I will continue with the presentation for you to understand a little bit better. Check the small calendar, I will show you in a moment. And the PDF that I send you with the dates, it's in Brightspace, okay? The step two, well, develop some activities of the unit. And the step 3, please take the unit test B. You have to take the unit test B. I will explain step by step in here with the pictures so you can see what I'm talking about when you access your virtual book. Please, you will notice that there is a section called test, okay? And in there you will see a small calendar, this very small calendar that will show you the time period in which it is enabled, okay? So there is a time limit for you to take the test, okay? The step 2, well, go to the unit, to the course section over here, course section, no workbook, no games, no reviews, no video, no. Go to the course section and you will see all the units activities, okay? What I recommend is that you focus your attention on lesson A, B, and C, okay? Focus your attention on those. If you can complete 100%, fantastic, you can do it. It's not absolutely necessary, okay? But it will prepare you to take the test of every unit. Okay, so lesson A, lesson B, lesson C. Oh, you want to take the lesson D? Fantastic. You want to go through vocabulary notebook? Okay, good. Why not? Okay, you can explore all the unit. That would be fantastic. But I know that you took a virtual course because probably sometimes time is not enough for you to visit all the activities. But well, it's not absolutely necessary to complete 100% of the course activities. It's not necessary, okay? But well, it will help you a little bit better if you do, okay? Now, the step 3, go to the test section and take the test B. I repeat, test B, okay, before the due date. I'm sorry if I insist too much in this, but I have the experience of previous semesters in which students forget to take the test B. Okay, they took the test. Hi, teacher, can you validate or can you please check the test A? No, I said no. You can take it as a practice, of course. You can take it like as a way to be prepared for you to take the test B. Okay, if you want to take it, fantastic. But the one that I will consider for the evaluation, it's exclusively the test B. No more. This is the only one that I will check and revise in deep so I can give you a score every week. Okay, this is how the virtual book works for this semester. So I hope it's clear and easy to understand. All right. If you have any question, as I said, well, you can come in the tutorships and solve questions about the virtual book and the activities that you find over here. Okay. So I hope to see you soon in one of my tutorships or speaking clubs. Bye.